G'day guys, it is Kate here, and today I'm going to be talking about the metabolism and what actually happens as we age. So we've all heard it when people say, I'm getting older, my metabolism's slowing down and I'm gaining weight. Our BMR doesn't actually change from the age of 20 until we hit roughly 60. And even then, the decline is actually really slow and really minimal. So what actually does change? Basically, we just move less and our dietary patterns tend to become more poor. So let's have a look at what our metabolism is actually made up of. So the biggest portion, which is around 70%, is made up of what's called NEAT, or non-exercise activity thermogenesis. So what this means is the movement that we make throughout the day. So this can be going for walks or just basic movement throughout our day, like fidgeting, standing, cleaning, washing, all that type of stuff. So such a small thing contributes massively to our metabolism. The second is what's called EAT, or exercise activity thermogenesis. This is our planned resistance training. So the more lean muscle mass that we build, the better our metabolism functions. The third is the thermogenic effect of feeding, or TEF. This is basically when we eat food, we digest it, our body temperature increases. So something like dietary protein, this will improve our metabolism because it takes longer for us to digest. And then the fourth is BMR, so our basal metabolic rate. So this is the calories that we need to maintain complete homeostasis. And this is also largely determined by the amount of lean muscle mass that we have as well. So data suggests that our metabolism slows down by 0.7% per year after the age of 60. So this is a really small and slow decline. So age can contribute to things like insulin resistance or glucose tolerance. So this basically can cause what we see as belly fat. But again, this glucose tolerance can be monitored and managed through dietary and lifestyle changes. So we may be able to delay that aging process through changes in our dietary habits, stopping smoking, and also increasing the amount of physical activity we do, being the non-exercise activity thermogenesis and also resistance training. So older adults who do maintain a more active lifestyle tend to delay that excess fat gain, and also their reduced ability to have things like insulin resistance, glucose intolerance, and any sort of metabolic syndromes as well. So the main things we can do to delay this slowing down is very simple. So two things: resistance training. So we need to be building our muscle mass throughout life so that we do have a large bulk of lean muscle tissue as we age. And the second is high dietary protein. So making sure that we're eating enough to maintain our muscle mass as we age, and then our metabolism doesn't slow down. So if you have any questions about this, please get in touch.